Hello friends, in this video we will do or configure HTTPS inspection on checkpoint Gaia R81. This is our topology. Okay, we are using the same topology which we have used in previous labs like identity awareness. We have PC, we have AD, we have management, we have gateway, and our lane has internet access. Go, let's check. We have PC, AD, management, gateway. Go to PC. Okay. Login into PC. Username and password. Start run CMD. User surrender ping to internet working. Google.com accessible. And when client is initiating session with google.com, then it is using Google certificate. Click here, secure connection, verified by Google Trust Services. Go to google.com, then open here HDFC Net Banking and open the website. And client is using the certificate provided by HDFC server. Okay, so currently there is no HTTPS or SSL inspection here. So what we need to do, we need to configure here HTTPS inspection or SSL decryption. Okay, go to AD, log in into AD. Now, from AD, access your management. From AD, go to Smart Console. Username and password, login. Okay, until it will open, we have PC, AD, management, and gateway and internet access. First of all, verify this thing here. Go to your PC, PC to AD, management and internet access. This is our PC. From PC, ipconfig, ping to AD, ping to itself, working, ping to AD, 200, working, ping to management server, 80, ping to 80, and ping to google.com. Done. Perfectly working. Go to AD. Now you have your Smart Console access. Okay, go to security policy. Okay, now we have two rules here. Now what we need to do? Delete, delete, add a rule. For example, give the name permit traffic. Okay, source, source our lane. Is taking time, so please have patience. Our internal network. Okay, so when our internal network is going for any destination, internal network is going any destination, we will accept it, we will log it. We have only single gateway, no problem. Install this policy, install, install. Done. Installation succeed. Let's check this. Go to client, and from client again hit to go to browser, google.com, facebook.com, youtube.com. Okay, we have Google access. Client is using Google certificate. We have Facebook access. Client is using here Facebook server certificate. We have YouTube access. Client is using Google certificate or YouTube certificate here. Okay. Now go to your AD, see the logs here, select rule, refresh here, done. Then select the rule. Then you will see yes, username Surendra and the rule is matching. Permit traffic. Permit traffic. Okay. And till now there is no SSL decryption or HTTPS inspection. Now where we need to go? We need to go to our gateway. Go to gateway, select gateway, HTTPS inspection, create a certificate, give any name, lab dot local. Okay. Then go to, hmm, then after giving the name, configure a key or give a key. You can configure validity, click OK. So actually we are generating a certificate here with name lab.local. OK, done. Now you can view the certificate, whatever you have generated, lab.local and validity. Click OK. Now we need to export this certificate, export it at desktop, CP root cert. Okay. Or we can give the name CP HTTPS inspection cert. Okay. Checkpoint HTTPS inspection cert. Okay. Done. We have generated a certificate. We have exported the certificate. Now enable HTTPS inspection. Then click OK. Done. After this, we need to go to security policy. We need to go to here inspection setting. Okay. So we need to click on inspection setting. In inspection setting, we need to select gateway and we have here gateway 1. Click on gateway 1, which is using default inspection. Click on gateway 1 and we have to select here recommended inspection. Then OK. Make sure gateway 1 recommended inspection, close it. Then go to HTTPS inspection policy. In HTTPS inspection policy, we have a predefined rule. Any source is going to internet and any category we will inspect it. You can also log it. Done. So any traffic which is going for internet, we will inspect it. Okay. Any source going for internet, HTTPS inspection. Okay. And action, we will inspect it. We will log it. Now publish it. Install it. Done. Succeeded. Go to client. Okay. On client, close your browser. So you need to do something before verifying it. First thing, clear your browser's cache. Open browser. Go to settings. settings, privacy and security, then clear history, everything, clear everything here. Okay, and never remember history, never, never remember history. Restart. Okay, go to google.com. Okay, now which certificate it is using? Lab.local. So what we need to do, whatever the certificate we have exported from the checkpoint, what was checkpoint HTTPS inspection cert. So we need to install this certificate on all our inside client. Okay, if you will not install it, then they can't access websites or internet. Okay, like client is not able to access, go to your AD, from AD open the browser and hit here same website like google.com. Okay, google.com. So same here, same problem, lab.local. So what we need to do, we need to install checkpoint certificate, go to run, type mmc, Microsoft Management Console. Okay, go to run, mmc, done. Then file, add and remove snapping. Then select here certificate, add. We need to select here computer account, then next, then finish, then OK. Then go to certificate, trusted root certificate, certificates. And here we need to import it. Right click, all task, import, next, browse. We need to go to desktop. We have checkpoint HTTPS inspection cert, select it, next, next, finish. Then you will see that you have installed the certificate on AD. Okay, now you have lab.local certificate, which we have generated on checkpoint. Okay, now close it. Oh, no need to save. Open your browser, do the same things. Settings. In settings, go to security and privacy. First of all, clear your history, everything. Okay, and make sure never remember history for better results. Restart. Okay, now go to google.com. Yes, it is working. So google.com, when client or AD is going to Google, then checkpoint is decrypting it. Okay, so which certificate PC is using? Lab.local. Done. So at AD, we can access internet like Google, like Facebook here. Okay, for google.com, which certificate AD is using? Checkpoint certificate lab.local. For Facebook session, which certificate client or AD is using? Lab.local. So we are using here checkpoint certificate. It means checkpoint is inspecting our HTTPS connections. Okay. In same way, go to client, at client. When you are going to Google, then checkpoint is saying using this certificate, but this certificate is not trusted by the client. So we need to install checkpoint certificate, copy it. Okay, copy it. We need to install this certificate at the client machine. Right click and paste. Oh, V2V not supported. Virtual machine to virtual machine. Paste not supported. Power on this. Do one thing. Go to AD, copy. the certificate. First of all, take it your host machine, desktop, paste, done. So first of all, copy your certificate from your AD, copy your certificate from your AD to host machine, and then again copy it from your host machine and paste it in your client. Alt control delete switch user. Now we need to install the certificate at the this lab is at this system. So we need to log in with other user. So we need to log in with PC administrator. PC name is Shiva hyphen PC slash user. Now okay, then type we want to log in this PC. Name is Shiva PC slash username Shiva. Password is also Shiva. So we are logging here with administrator account of this local PC so that we can install the certificate at this machine. Now again go to your host machine, copy the certificate and paste it in your virtual machine. Okay, now we have here, then we need to go to same process, start run MMC, Microsoft Management Console. Then yes, then we need to go to file, add and remove. Then we need to go to certificate, add computer account, next, finish, okay, certificates, trusted root certificate, certificate, right click, all task, import, next, browse, go to desktop, select the certificate, next, next, and before finishing it, you can see there is no lab.local certificate. Now finish it. Okay. Now you have lab.local checkpoint certificate here. Done. Lab.local. Close it. No need to save. Go to browser, and from browser, access google.com, pink google.com, working. Hmm. Now you can see, yes, client can access google.com. Now, which certificate is using? So we need to clear the cache here. Same procedure, go to settings, okay, and go to privacy and security. So go to clear history from everything, okay, everything we need to clear here and don't never remember history. So in this way, as we did on AD, in same way we need to do on every client in our network so that they can access internet as well as not Palo Alto. Here, Checkpoint Firewall can do HTTPS inspection here. Okay, google.com. Done. For google.com, we are using certificate lab.local. For Facebook, we are using the certificate lab.local. Go to financial website like go to here Google, then type HDFC net banking, Axis net banking website, and for net banking website we are using lab.local. So there are some guidance, okay, there are some rules. The government rule says that you should not decrypt your financial website, so you can exclude some websites traffic that should not be inspected or decrypted. For that, now we want here that net banking sites traffic should not be inspected or decrypted. For that, we need to go to our management, go to management, okay, go to the HTTPS inspection policy, add a policy here, then give the name like no decryption, no decryption, okay, any source, or you can add your specific lane. When source is this, destination is internet, category any, not at any. We have here financial website, okay. When my lane is going to internet using HTTPS, they are going for financial websites action. Don't inspect, bypass it, okay. You can also log it. Done. So you have defined a no decryption rule. My lane going for internet using HTTPS, going for financial website, bypass it, okay. Then we need to install policy and publish and install. Install. Okay, failed. Go to detail. It is saying here what it is saying. HTTPS inspection rule 1 cannot be installed on the gateway because its sites category column contain object that requires the URL filtering blade to be enabled on the gateway. We are using here financial website. It is a URL category. And for this URL category, go to gateway and add here application control and URL filtering. So URL filtering blade must be enabled here. Click OK. Make sure URL filtering blade is enabled. OK. Install policy, publish and install, and install. Done. Installation successful. Okay. According to our policy or HTTPS HTTPS inspection policy, we have two rules. For financial website, bypass rest of the website must be inspected here. Go to client, okay, close your browser, open your browser, go to google.com. Google.com doesn't belongs to financial web service websites or services, so it will match with inspect rule. We are using lab.local, so checkpoint is inspecting it. But go to HDFC net banking, so this traffic belongs to financial website, okay. So the traffic which is matching with financial website, okay. Now go to session, go to connection secure, and here you can see that DigiShirt. Clear? Google session, for Google session, we are using Palo Alto, not Palo Alto. We are using here checkpoint certificate lab.local. Checkpoint is performing HTTPS inspection for google.com, but checkpoint is not inspecting financial services here. Okay. For finance, when client will go to any uh, financial website, that session will not be decrypt here. For financial, checkpoint is bypassing inspection, and for Google, it is performing. For Google, lab.local certificate. For HDFC server certificate. Go to AD, go to your policy. Okay. Done. And here, refresh it. Select the traffic. Okay, now it is matching with the traffic. And for decryption, you can verify here. Financial, for financial bypass, any inspect, go to client. For google.com, inspect. For financial websites, bypass. So this was our lab, that how to perform HTTPS inspection on Checkpoint Gaia R81. Thank you.